Nestled in a serene courtyard overlooking the neighborhood, this home is a departure from the ordinary. Renovations abound, from the revamped kitchen and baths to the sprawling master walk-in closet. Enjoy the charm of an antique lavatory in the hall bath and the convenience of a chef's kitchen, complete with dual sinks and ample storage. Sunlit living, dining, and kitchen spaces provide a welcoming atmosphere, with a bonus den and office for added versatility. With hard surface flooring, upkeep is a breeze.